Good morning. I am EP0001 from class 5A. So today's my topic in, is English project of Expo 2020 Sustainability Pavilions. So here is my PPT. The topic is the topic is Expo 2020 Sustainability Pavilions, and the subtopic is the Opportunity Pavilion. Now, in the third slide, I have written that why did I prompted for this subtopic? I selected this subtopic because it is designed by Agi Architects. It is built on rich urban history of Plaza. It also has a significance as a place for people to connect across age, language, culture, etc. Now, what information I found about this selected subtopic? The information I found is that it has a renewed sense of optimism, it feels interconnected, it contributes to the sustainable goals, it has a pledge to make difference. Now, this fifth set tells that why did I feel that I should not choose other subjects? That means why were other subjects less appealing? So I felt that other topic were less appealing because they did not have exciting thoughts and highlights. There were many exciting and energetic highlights in this subject, which I choose, that is Opportunity Pavilion. Like even small actions can make a big impact. This was one of the highlight in Opportunity Pavilion. Now, sixth slide tells that what was the uniqueness of this subtopic. So, what unique I found in this subtopic on a global mission to change the whole world. Um, it has very beautiful and unique architectures, really, and it helps developing countries and underdeveloped countries in their fight against poverty. Like there is an example given, like this mission will help many developing and underdeveloped countries with poverty, begging. In many countries there are people who don't get to eat, who don't have money to do job. They are jobless. They they sleep and they sleep on footpaths. They don't have anything to eat. So this pavilion will help all these countries with their fight against poverty. Now, the seventh slide is about the conclusion. Now, conclusion is the Opportunity Pavilion has many interesting and exciting themes like Austria, Bahrain, Belarus, China, and it also has many highlights and thoughts. So, as a conclusion, like this I like this Opportunity Pavilion very much because it has many themes like Australia, Bahrain, Belarus, and China. And the main reason why I like this uh, Opportunity Pavilion is that it will help the poor, it will help the poor countries, underdeveloping and underdeveloped countries with their fight against poverty. Thank you. Thank you so much.